Hello, guys. Good to see you all. Shams here. Next Saturday, on the 9th of September, I scheduled a workshop for graduate admission in the United States. If you want to apply in future or right now, this is the season, if you know. So I hope that would be useful and beneficial to the candidates and applicants. And if you want to apply for master's or PhD, this is the best time. The workshop will be pretty short. It's just an hour of engagement and interaction, getting to know your interest and which university, which state, what kind of scholarship you're looking for, and funding and all that. Also, we'll talk about the process of the whole application, requirements, things that you must do, need to do in order to secure 100% scholarship, possibly uh, living stipend. So, see you guys. Yeah. If you haven't registered yet, please go ahead. Thank you.